Division word problems. Math word problems made easy. With Lucas.
Hey friends, it's me, Lucas. Welcome back to Math Word Problems Made Easy. Today, we're learning all about division word problems. Division helps us figure out how to share things equally or split things into groups. Let's get ready to divide and conquer.
What is division?
Division is like fair sharing. If you have 12 cookies and you want to share them equally among 3 friends, you're dividing 12 cookies into 3 groups. So, 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Each friend gets 4 cookies. When we divide, we start with a total number and split it into equal parts. Easy, right?
Clue words for division.
When reading a word problem, look for clue words that tell you it's a division problem. Words like share equally, each group gets, divided among, split into, how many in each. These are your hints that you'll need to divide.
Example 1. Cupcakes.
Let's solve our first division word problem together. There are 12 cupcakes, and they need to be shared equally among 4 friends. How many cupcakes does each friend get? Let's divide 12 by 4. That equals 3. So each friend gets 3 cupcakes.
Example 2. Apples.
Next one. Ready? 20 apples need to be split into 5 baskets. How many apples go in each basket? We can divide 20 by 5. That's 4 apples per basket.
Example 3. Toy cars.
Let's try something trickier. There are 18 toy cars parked in 6 rows, each with an equal number. How many cars are in each row? "18 divided by 6 equals 3. So there are 3 cars in each row.
Example 4. Cup stacking game.
Here's a fun one. There are 24 cups used in a stacking game. They are divided into 8 equal stacks. How many cups are in each stack? "24 divided by 8 equals 3. Each stack has 3 cups.
Example 5. Candy bags.
One last one, and it's sweet. There are 30 candies divided equally into 5 bags. How many candies go in each bag? "30 divided by 5 equals 6. Each bag gets 6 candies.
Real-life connection.
See how division helps in real life? We use it when we share food, split things into groups, or organize items evenly. So next time you're dividing snacks or toys, remember, you're doing math in action.
Let's review.
Let's review what we learned today. Division means splitting into equal groups. Clue words: share equally, divided among, split into. Use division to find out how many are in each group or how many groups there are. Great job, math heroes. You did amazing work today. Next time, we'll solve mixed word problems with all 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep practicing math the smart way with Lucas!